What's up, y'all, man? It's your boy Fuse back at it live with another banger for y'all, man. As y'all can see, I am here at the graffiti wall. Ooh, we got the cars out here, man. Whips out here, chicks out here. So look, my boy hit me up. He said he wanted me to be in his music video. He goes by Trill Poppy. So y'all about to see that, man. Right now they shooting on the other side, and when they come over here, they're gonna do the scene with my car. But in the meantime, I ran into my man, Black Cat 707, all the way from Dallas, man. I didn't even expect to see him, honestly. He just happened to be here, y'all. Let's look at his car real quick. Ooh, y'all see that, man? Hard. All the way to the flow. Y'all go give this man a follow, man. He's been a real supporter of mine since day one. So I'll rock with him. Y'all check this car out. Up here at the graffiti wall, man, just happened to randomly meet up with him. What's up, y'all?
What's happening, man? What's happening, man? Yeah, down here in Houston, man.
Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel.
Go ahead, shout it out.
The Life of Black Cat 707.
There we go. You heard him. Go subscribe. Make sure you turn the bell on. Get them post notifications, man, and follow your boy, man.
And share.
Yes, sir.
And follow him on Instagram,
Dallas,
man. Right. @_ Black Cat 707.
Yes, sir. So he came out here with the whole family, man. They came out, showing support, man. They're in Houston. They coming out here soon. They about to move out here. So they checking out the scenery. We brought the cars out here. So we just showing them a good time, man. You know the hospitality out here is real in Houston. Yes, sir. Hey, man, so I'm up here with my man Jermaine, man. Trill Poppy in the crib.
Already, bro. Kong shit about to drop, you feel me? Hey, look, big shit popping, bro. H-Town shit, bro. You know what I'm saying? Hey, thank you, Travis Scott. Thank you, making this out for holding down. But shit up from now, nigga. Gang shit.
Tell them what we doing here, man. What's going on?
Hey, bro, little photo shoot right now, you know what I'm saying, bro? I have your whip, bro. The livest car in the fucking H-Town, nigga. Babe shit, gorilla shit, nigga. Kong shit, nigga. And this shit, this whole stiff, nigga. So we about to do a little photo shoot. Got the baddies ready, you know what I'm saying? Pussy popping. Ain't shit really lit, you know what I'm saying?
Yes, sir. Yeah. Go ahead, man. Shout out to Instagram and shit.
Hey, King Rose, you feel me? Get at me. Videos coming soon. Stay tuned for new content. Cone dropping. We up.
Yes,
Dwayne XL, you know, go follow me. All right, DBE.
As y'all can see, man, we up here at the graffiti wall. They about to shoot the video. We got the models, we got the whips, we got the videographer. So it's about to be crazy, man. This is how we starting off this day. And I'll see y'all later on at Sick Whips Meet. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, bro. Hey, Trey Diverse in this bitch, bro. Hey, go check out my new music, bro. We on all platforms, my G.
Yes, sir.
It is I, Bobby Steve, producer.
Ooh, so get at him, Bobby Steve, for the producer, man. Nah, for real. Hey, y'all, what's going on, man? You see I'm here with my dog, Sick Whips.
Yeah, man, we out here, man, on some park and chill shit, finally, though. We doing real good. The first location got shut down. We could have stayed there, but, you know, you always got that one person who gonna do something that you don't want
Always
to
that
do.
one month person,
Yeah, but we at that good old sacred location. It's getting chill, it's getting kind of, you know, big or whatnot, but we gonna actually just park and chill. But at their location, motherfuckers do whatever they want to do. You know what I'm talking about?
Hey, so stay tuned, and right now I'm gonna show y'all a little bit what's going on here.
Now,
for
banging
real.
on my chest, nah, for real.
In the jungle. We got the Hellcat SRTs, we got some Challengers, we got some Charger Scat Packs, we have the Widebody Charger, Hellcat. Y'all seen this thing before, y'all. This thing is fresh. Woo, and we got the 8th in the building. Yeah, sir. Oh, we got the drone out here once again. That's Mob Genius putting in that work. So this is kind of some of the more cars up here for me. We out here in the jungle getting thick again. Cops pulled up again, but they're not really saying too much. As long as nobody does burnouts and stupid stuff like that, then it's not really a big deal. So for now, we're just gonna chill and relax and enjoy some of the cars.
BB Simon's okay. I see you with the drip check. Even though you got all 3 different shades of black, it's okay. Drip check.
Oh, she's trying to clown. They're kicking everyone out. They said there's too many people here, so we all have to go. So everyone's leaving now, getting in their cars. We can't stay here. We gotta go. So I'll see y'all in the next spot. Y'all can see, man, we are here at the 3rd location. I missed the 1st spot. I saw you at the 2nd spot. Now we're here on the 3rd. And everyone's starting to pull up, man. They're about to swing it. Go crazy, go bananas. You see everyone pulling up. So jungle getting thick, man. Yes, sir. Hey, y'all see what's going on in the jungle?
Man, I told them niggas I ain't
Them on like 4 channels. Man, hey, you scared ass
going crazy, huh?
But man, I got my boy Bakes, who always late to the meet. Always late.
Hey, I'm always late, man, but you know I come
Hey, when
through
you pull up,
dripping,
you
you know
pull
what I'm
up, though.
saying? Fashionably late, you
Pull
feel
up,
me?
pull up, though.
Ooh, I didn't want to hit y'all with that drip check.
Hey, y'all could not find it.
Bro, I cannot find
Man,
it,
I
bro.
was like, man, if y'all go to the gas station, they finna
We
mess
hit.
up.
Oh, man, look who just pulled up. Oh, look who just pulled up, man. Hey, he about to swing
two,
it.
dog.
He about to swing it. Oh, Big BTV coming at you live. We spotted the Bape Drip once again, man. Bape Drip in the building, y'all. Nah, for real, man. Shout out man's Widebody over here, Scat Pack going dummy on them boys. You feel?
Yes, sir.
No, my homie got the lights going dummy on the Audi. Yes, sir. That's fresh, y'all. Look at that. Tire sneakers. Widebody Hellcat going dummy. Yes, sir. That's fucking hard, y'all. Yes, sir. That shit was crazy. Yes, sir. We gotta go. Everybody different. Everybody on the scene. That's part of the game. That's part of the game right there, y'all.
What y'all running for?
Shit, away from them. What's up, y'all, man? So we are at the third location right now. We just got here. It's not really as big, so you can't really swing it, but it is like a park and chill. So we're probably just gonna chill and park and, you know what I'm saying, see what we can get into. But for now, you know what I'm saying, that shit is what it is. Y'all saw all the cars already. Y'all saw all the shenanigans. If anything pops out, man, it's gonna be right here live on Fuse World. Oh! Dude, they still rolling in deep. Widebody. So I think that's gonna be the end of the video, y'all. We was out here riding around, going crazy in the jungle, swinging it, going bananas. But that's about it for tonight, man. If we get into anything tomorrow Sunday Fun Day, then y'all know what's going on. So, man, yes, sir.